Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the May unboxing subscription smackdown between Ipsy and Boxycharm. So I'm going to give you a couple of details about each subscription service and also reveal what I received this month. So let's get to it. First, we're going to go into our Ipsy bag. This is a $10 makeup subscription, and you get 4 to 5 travel size and sometimes full-size products in here. You take a quiz right when you sign up, which tailors and customizes your bag according to your makeup preferences. One of the pros about this subscription service is that you get to try a variety of brands, and one of the cons would be that they don't include a brochure or some information about the product you receive, so you have to do your own research, like I did today. So there's no way I can share this with you. So let's get into our May Ipsy bag. See what we got. So the first thing I see here, which actually came outside of my bag, it was so big, are these Gglutamin C Real Gel Masks, and these are Korean sheet masks. Now the interesting thing about these is that it includes a exfoliating pad, so you can exfoliate your face and get rid of all the impurities right before you apply the sheet mask. This is a vitamin C sheet mask that is tailored to, I would say, dry skin, because it has like a radiating, glowing property to them. And these retail for $4 each, and you get 2 of them in the Ipsy bag this month. And now the next product I see here is the Eyeko I Do Liquid Eyeliner pen. Maybe I should put it upside down. So this is a felt tip liquid eyeliner. I've tried Eyeko liquid eyeliners before, and they are amazing. They're waterproof, smudge-proof. In fact, this is travel size, it's perfect for just throwing in my suitcase later on when I travel. And the good thing also about these is that they dry down matte. A lot of liquid eyeliners have a shine to them when they dry down, but this is completely matte black, and it's really dark carbon black, which is amazing. And the full size of this eyeliner retails for $22. Now, another interesting thing about this is that it supposedly has a tripeptide boost to promote lash growth in 15 days. I can't really say that actually is true or not, because I have naturally long eyelashes, and when I did use Eyeko eyeliners, I really didn't see any growth per se. So I can't really say if that's true or not, but that's what their claim is. But overall, this is an amazing liquid eyeliner. Now the next product I see here is it's like a little beauty blender. This is the Slmissglam Sparkle Everday Glam Beauty Sponge. And this is, like I said, like a really small beauty blender type of beauty sponge. But the cool thing about it is that it has this little slant for contour, and they'll be perfect for blending in concealer underneath your eye. So what you do with these is you run it under a faucet or under water, and you just squeeze it and squeeze all the excess water out of it, and you apply your foundation and you just blend it in, pat it all over your face. And it will give you a nice flawless finish, and also give you a dewy finish, because you're incorporating water into your foundation and diluting it in a sense. So I'm excited to have that just because it's travel size. And the full size actually retails for $17.50. So the next product I see here is the Mott Hot Go-To Eyeshadow in the color Mermaid Teal, which is this beautiful turquoise color. And it seems very creamy also. So that'll be a great color to incorporate into my summer makeup looks. And this retails for $13. And I feel like it is full size, I believe, because it looks just like the same size as the eyeshadow that I have in my Ipsy palette. And the last product we have here, which I'm super excited about, is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Lip Pencil in the color Trophy Wife. And this retails for $19. I mean, overall, this bag has been amazing. You've got more than triple the value of what we paid for the $10. So it's this beautiful lip pencil, and it seems like a mauve color. That's like a mauvey berry color, which will go great with a lot of lipsticks that I have. So I'm very thankful to have that. So I feel like overall this is a great makeup bag. I mean, we got more than what we paid for, and a lot of products are actually products I want to use. So overall, I'm very happy with this month. I think this is a big win for Ipsy. Now let's go check out what we got in our main Boxycharm. Man, really needed a snack break. Oh my god, I'm so good. Now we're going to talk about Boxycharm. This is a $21 a month makeup subscription service, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products in here from various well-known high-end brands like Tarte, Stila, Pure Cosmetics. I mean, you get a variety of good high-end products in here, and it's always well over the $21 value. It's usually like about $100 value a product to get. So this is my favorite subscription box. It's definitely worth it. And one of the pros about it is that you get a postcard in the box that details all the information about the product as well as their retail value. One of the cons is that you can't customize your boxes like some subscription boxes allow you to. So you can't dictate what kind of makeup product you would like to see and what you wouldn't like to see in your box. It's pretty much random what you get. So let's get into our main Boxycharm and see what we got. The first product I see here is the CoverFX Blurring Primer. I've gotten quite a few primers through Boxycharm, and I'm always excited to try new ones. So I want to see which one will work best with my skin type. And this seems to be a blurring primer, so it's good for people who have large pores. And it is skin tone, as you can see here. It's like a skin tone color. And it has a creamy consistency. I think that'll be really good for blurring out big pores on your face. So I'm excited to have that. And it says on the postcard that this retails for $38. So this alone is more than what your box costs. So that's amazing. Now the next product you have here is the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner. How cute is this? It's like an old school like ink and pen type of jar, which is amazing. And it's a gel eyeliner. It seems to be matte black. See what it says on here, our postcard. It says that the highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin D to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day long. That is great, because I'm always looking for a good waterproof eyeliner, especially with the summer coming. You don't want your eyeliner to be dripping off or smudging off with water and sweat. And also included with this gel eyeliner is this eyeliner set. And this is from the brand Aesthetica. Now this trio of eyeliner brushes retails for $45. That is crazy. I don't think I've ever paid that much for brushes before. And the great thing about this is that they include 2 types of eyeliner pens. Eyeliner brushes, sorry. Includes 2 types of eyeliner brushes. One that's more the standard slanted eyeliner brush, and the other one is more of a pointed brush. So whatever your preference is in doing gel eyeliner, you get both here. So that'll definitely come in handy. And you also get a spoolie, which will be great for combing out your eyebrows. So that's great that they included that with the gel eyeliner. The next product I have here is another brush actually. It's the Aesthetica face brush. Mine looks a little funky. I think I must have bent it in the box somehow. But this seems to be a multi-purpose face brush. You can use it for blush, you can use it for maybe setting powders, for setting foundation. You can use it for a variety of ways or for a variety of reasons. So that is great to have in the box. And I believe we got this brush because of the next product I'm about to reveal. And this is the Pure Sculptor palette. And this is a contour and highlighting palette. It includes 2 highlighting shades and 2 contour shades, which is great because it gives you a variety of skin tones that this could work for. So the fact that they included this brush makes sense because then you can use this for contouring and you can use it for highlighting as well on top of your cheekbones. So that's a great combination to have. And in case I haven't mentioned before, the brush retails for $27. And the Pure Cosmetic Sculptor palette retails for $30. So together, that is $57. That is crazy. Can't believe they put such expensive products in this box this month. And the last product we have here is the Beauty Creation Matte Lip Gloss. And this is a I think it's more of a lip gloss than it is a liquid lipstick. Well, it says here, Beauty Creation Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Well, isn't that a little weird because it says matte lip gloss. I mean, when do you ever see lip gloss as being matte? I think it's supposed to be a liquid lipstick, even though they call it lip gloss. But that's a little confusing. It retails for $10, and it seems to be a collaboration with Boxycharm because it says Boxycharm on the package. So I think Beauty Creation is probably teamed up with them to create this liquid lipstick. Well, that's pretty. Looks like a nice pinky nude. That'll definitely go with a lot of makeup looks. Ooh, it has like a fruity pebble smell. Well, that's interesting. I definitely have to try it out and see if it actually dries down matte. It goes down really creamy. It's really pigmented too. So I'm very thankful to have that. And that's all we got in our mini Boxycharm. And overall, I mean, this is way over the $21 value that we received in the box. And some of the products that I'm most excited about is the gel eyeliner. I was always looking for a good gel eyeliner that is waterproof and water resistant. The next product I'm kind of excited to use is the contour and highlighting palette because you can never have enough highlighter. And I want to get better at my contour game, so this will definitely come in handy. And another thing I'm very excited to have is the liquid lipstick. I feel like this shade will go great with a lot of makeup looks that I will do. So overall, this is a great box too. So I mean, I think between the Ipsy and this, I mean, they were both great boxes. I can't choose whether I like one or the other more. So it just depends on your preference, and also the price. I mean, this is a $21 subscription versus Ipsy being a $10 subscription. So it depends, financially, which one you want to go with and which makeup products you would like to see in subscription boxes. Because Ipsy has sometimes high-end makeup brands in there, but most of the time it's like indie brands. Versus Boxycharm usually has like high-end brands that you see at Sephora and Ulta. So it just depends on what your preference is. But I think overall this month, I think they both are tied in the SmackDown because they were both amazing and had great products. I mean, I can't say more about it. So if you like to see what I get in the June unboxing of Ipsy and Boxycharm, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you.